Hello and thank you for watching my video. My name is Astrid Krasniqi. I'm CCNA and CCNP certified instructor. We are continuing with the chapter 5, adjust and troubleshoot single area OSPF. Now we are configuring the packet tracer here. So we just completed 5.1.1.12. We can continue with 5.1.3.5, propagating a default route in OSPF version 2. So that's our network. And let me open the packet tracer file there as well. Okay, while that's opening, let's look at the objectives. The objectives are propagate the default route and verify connectivity. So small background information. In this activity, we will configure IPv4 default route to the internet and propagate the default route to other routers. You will then verify the default route is downstream routing tables and that the host can now access a web server on the internet. Okay, so this is our network. So we have a router that's connected towards the internet, and in that router we're going to create a default route and we're going to propagate that route towards router 1 and router 3. So if I go to router 1, for example, and let me increase the font here, let's say 10. Okay, so if I go to router 1 and I'll say show IP route, as you can see, there's no default route on this network. Gateway or last resort is not set. And same would be on router 3. So if I do the same thing on router 3, show IP route, nothing there either. Okay, well, same thing for router 2 as well. But in router 2 we are going to configure default route. So show IP route, nothing has been set. Right, so any user, they cannot ping to the web server. So if I go to this PC and I'll try it, so I'll go to desktop and command prompt, I say ping 64.100.1.2, that's a web server, and my gateway is telling me destination host is unreachable, which means I really don't know how to get there. Okay, so I'll go to router 2. Let me just stop the other activity that we completed. This one we've completed, so we can stop this, close it. No, I don't want to save it. Okay, back to here. So go to router 2 here, and on router 2 what we're going to do is configure a static route. So config t IP route any network with any subnet mask, quad zeros, another quad zeros, so space quad zeros. We're going to send it out of serial 010. Right, we need to propagate this to the other routers, so we go to config t, well, we are in config t, so router OSPF, what OSPF was it? So do show IP protocols. So we have OSPF 1, so OSPF 1. So we say router OSPF 1 default information originate, right, and then that will propagate that default route. So if I look here now, show IP route, now well, I have a default gateway that says the gateway to last resort is set to all zeros, network, any network, and that is my default, so my static route. So if I go to router 1 and do the same command we did earlier, so now yes, we have any network, we can send it to 172.16.3.2. This route, this default static route, sorry, the default route, we have learned it from router 2 as external type 2. And the same for router 3. If I go to router 3 to now show IP route, now I have this route just learned. So gateway last resort is set. So if I go to the PC now and run the command again, now I should be able to ping that internet server. Okay, yes, we are. Verify connectivity, verify that PC 1, 2 and 3 can ping a web server. That's it. That was very fast. Okay, let's go to the other PCs. PC 2. and try and ping the web server. 64.100.1.2. Yep, we can ping it. And the next PC, PC1. Go to run ping. What was it? 64.100.1.2, I think. Yep. Okay. So look at the activity. It's 100% complete. It's good. That's what we like to see. And yep, we have configured a static route, and we have configured a default. We have propagated that route as well. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the future videos. Just gonna close this, close it, save it. Okay, we move on to the next packet tracer.